o'clock we are heading towards Colva beach, and we have heard that the Colva market is also very beautiful to check out handicrafts and other things. So you can surely visit this market. It's on the route to Colva beach. It's very nearby, just 8 kilometers from the hotel. At this beautiful store here, and it's really amazing from inside. I like the handicrafts a lot. The Colva beach, that's the entrance there, and so less crowd. It's so beautiful. The Benaulim beach. We came here to watch the sunset. Still 3 minutes, but we can't see the sun here yet. Last time I came here was like 4 years ago, and this is seriously still that beautiful. We are going to that shack now. No matter how many times you come to Goa, this place always seems to be beautiful.